get content for those pages that we did not do. So, if I remember correctly, this was done. Contact now. Nope. Okay, so here's another one we need to fix. Let's go back. This needs to go to contact, so button. Okay. Let's see what else needs fixing. These are all, well, we're gonna undo these. These don't need links. Let's see. Featured list. We are. Some people might want to have them for their business, but in this case, for the demo, we're just gonna go ahead and remove those. Let's see, what else do we have? Do these have links? No. These ones, no need for links for those. So we'll also go down and remove these links, as they're not really related. Okay, that page should be complete. And actually, in fact, the home page might have the same buttons that need to get removed. Let's take a look real quick. Yes, they in fact do. Let's go remove those. As we don't need them. Close that. Close that. Close that. Oh. Okay, actually, while we're here, let's see what other links. Quality testing. Okay, we're gonna link these. Looks like these have links here. So what we're going to do is go to services and open these up, and we're gonna link them. So the first one needs quality testing. This is the quality testing. So let's close that. Heating service. This one. Okay. The final one is AC installation. AC installation. Okay, that's been linked. Do these have any links? No. Does this one? No. Do these? I think we cleared those out. All members. Okay, button. Team. So we're gonna go ahead and actually link it to this page instead. Okay. Let's see. That's all been done. Looks like that is everything. Explore services. Does this have a link? Oh, it does. So we're gonna go to the service page, link that, and there's probably another one here. What's that? Okay, what else do we need? About. So look, actually, this will show us. Nope. We have these, okay. No. It's been cleaned up. Oh, we haven't updated that page yet. I think that should be everything. So let's go ahead and publish that. Okay. This is the services. Oh. Oh yeah. Oops. Let's go. Team details. Okay, we don't need that. So we need, which pages do we need fixed? So we need the, let's start off with the actual service itself. Are these cases? Okay, well, we will, this is services. Let's go update the services first, and then we'll go do the cases. There's that one, and that one, and that's been done. Okay, so what we need here is basically it's the contact form. Okay, we're gonna use ChatGPT for this. Write a introduction for a page HVAC website. How many sentences? 2 to 3. What else do we need? Oh, actually, more. Let's just say paragraph, not 2 to 3 sentences. And then we need a service overview paragraph with bullet points. What else do we need? Oh, 3 to 4. 3 to 4. It's the same for all of them. Looks like it is. Okay. So let's start off with AC installation, and we're going to go from there. Okay, instant paragraph. And then here are the bullet points we're going to do. We're going to edit this prompt because it did not produce the best output. Going to get the 4th one. Okay. Okay, so we still need one more. While that's done, we need to go ahead and fix this. Go local HVAC. We should have this ready. Okay, that's that. Then Done. We'll go ahead and update this. And let's see how it looks. Again, to the similar ones, it might need to get fixed or it takes some time to update. But while that's updating, let's go ahead and clean this up over here. So it's under services. There should be a widget. But let's actually take a look over here. Yeah. So these are most likely widgets. Services, yeah. So what we're gonna do is go back here. We're gonna go to the dashboard and keep this so we can see that. And then we're gonna go to widgets. Gonna go to service sidebar. Okay, let's see what we want to keep. We're gonna remove archives and category. It's not really archives, delete, category, delete, service list. Okay, this links to it, so we're going to keep that. Contact info. Right now, we don't have any download files. We have nothing to provide. So we're going to delete that. But contact info, we're going to update to, I believe it was 123 Fifth Avenue, New York, New York, 16, phone number, oh, gotta remove this as well. Okay, we're just gonna up this up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what else do we need? Yes, the email. The email was info. Let's see what the email was. Info at HVAC demo. HVAC demo. HVAC demo. Demo.com. So also info demo.com. HVAC demo. Okay. That should be everything we need. This might take some time to update like the other ones, but the main stuff should be good. Yeah, this will, by the time we do the other ones, this should all be updated. So let's go back to here. Do the same thing for dust cleaning. Okay. There we go. Okay, we hit our limit on this one, so let's finish this duct cleaning real quick. Duct cleaning, service overview. Service overview. Let's go local HVAC. should be everything, and then bullet points. What was installation? Which one did we do? Let's just copy. Let's see. So what we'll, looks like this actually needs to get updated too. Just gonna copy these and make the modifications for the dust cleaning. Professional cleaning. Looks like we don't need that one. Okay, that should be everything for this. Let's go ahead and update this. Yeah, we should probably also view this so we don't confuse them. Dust cleaning done. We might need to, no, that's already been done. Okay. So, looks like this has been used as a free one. So we're gonna go to this another one. So, should have probably kept the prompt. It's okay. So, here we go. What was this for actually? For business. Let's see what this produces. Heating service. I'm going to take this. Okay. Service offering. It's all the same, so we're just gonna add that. Then let's go ahead and add these bullet points. And the final one. Cool. There we go. Okay, this is done. What is the next one? Okay. HVAC. Let's go here. Okay. Service, actually. Service offering. Then the bullet points. There's that. And okay. This is done. Let's go to here. Okay. It's a case study. Maintenance service. Actually, yeah. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. Then we go with the bullet points. Update. Okay. Again, these should update soon. I have to go, actually, let's wait until the final one. Clearing the cache might fix this. Let's go find where the cache is. Okay. Let's finish this first. Okay. Okay. Now we just need the bullet points. Okay. So this has updated. Let's go real quick to the cache. Find how to clear cache. Use purge. General. Sometimes there's a button that has clear cache. Oh, it will come back later. Let's focus on the important stuff, getting the content done. And not yet, but this should eventually get done real quick. So let's go and do the other pages. Quality testing. Okay, so what we need here is we're gonna, are these all the same? Product description, challenges, benefits. bullet points. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So let's go ahead and do this. This is all the same. And actually, why are these still open? I think that's probably because of the, yeah, it's because of that. So this looks like this is done. Okay, that's finished. This will be links. Oh, I think hold on. Okay, so links I need to get done. We don't need that. So let's go write a prompt. Write me oh, I already have that. Just for those people who are looking at the grammar. How many bullet points? I need all of these. Let's go 5. Bullet points. Benefits. And 3 bullet points. Right, I think that's everything. Yeah, let's go ahead and submit this and let's see what comes out. Okay. Hopefully by then, this will be all nice and updated. Not yet. Oh, actually, hold on, can we? Oh, we can. Purge all cache. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens when we do that. Oh yeah, we gotta fix that. So, how do we get to these pages now? Might be, yeah. Okay, we're gonna have to go back to those pages through here. Services. Let's see if these have been cleaned up. Nope, not yet. Okay, let's just go ahead and finish this. We're only doing 5, so that can go away. Effectiveness, benefit. And these 3 paragraphs or bullet points. 2 and 3. Oh, looks like there's a spelling error. Let's see. Okay. Let's, what else do we have? Most likely this was the same thing. You gotta, yeah, it's got cache. So I'll come back to this. Well, to all of these. Do all this have images? They don't. Looks, oh, the images product of the cache. Well, I'll come back and I'll get this sorted out. No, emergency repair. Here we go. Challenge. Okay, benefit. I'm gonna delete these. Need challenge. These bullet points. Okay. Then the final one there. Let's see what's the next one. Okay, and same thing, probably. Yeah. Let's go ahead and finish this out. There's that. Probably just throw those all there. Benefit. Okay. Oh, let's just swap each of these. Okay. That's done. This. Okay. Benefit again. Then do this. Okay, one final one to go. Okay. Next, okay, just do the final one. this. Benefit. Then we are going to do that. Okay. That should be monitoring all of the pages. We're gonna wait a little bit, and in the next video we'll have when everything's cached. Actually, while we're waiting, let's see if we can cache these right now. Let's see what happens. Purchase page. No, that was not it. Let's look at more settings real quick. If not, we're just gonna have to come back in a few minutes. Yeah, this is. Okay, we're just gonna pause it here, have this cache, and oh, the video. That's right. Where is this for the video? Oh, it's a YouTube video. We removed those. Okay. Actually, let's just make sure the YouTube video has been removed from all of them. So we don't have to come back and do that later. Oh, it's the second one. Let's look at this. No YouTube there, that's good. There's a YouTube video there. Don't need that. Let's see. YouTube video there. If you want it for this example, we're not using it, but for your own website / business, if you want to include some sort of YouTube video, that example just shows how you can easily have one. And this one is a duplicate because it's the same one. So we're going to move it to the trash. Okay, next video will be just the final steps of doing quality control and making sure everything is linked and ready to go.